Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to enter the development settings. Development setting has many extra option to your phone. To enter the development setting, go to the your settings on your phone, go to the down into your system, and now about the phone. And if now we're gonna press byte number 5 times. Yep, you are now a developer. And now back and back. Where is the developer system? Yes, here, developer option. There is an option which you don't have if you don't this operation. And here you have many options to do off your phone. You can do every single things. This is the secret menu. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!